Each winter, as the bush cools and the firewood gets stacked high, the Mitsubishi Four-Wheel Drive Owners Club heads to one of our favorite places, the Avon Valley National Park. Held at the Sec Barrows camping area, this private group site has it all: tall spotted gums, 2 drop toilets, an all-weather shelter, and plenty of room for tents, swags, rooftop setups, and caravans. But this weekend is about more than just camping. It's a chance to slow down, reconnect, and enjoy the kind of time together that we just don't get on fast-paced day trips. On most trips, the only talk you'll hear is through the UHF, and lunch is more of a pit stop than a picnic. This weekend is about real connection, fireside stories, shared meals, and a few laughs with fellow club members. The club sets a cooking challenge, and this year, President Mark Buntine gave us a beauty. Make a dish using ingredients that start with the letter P. And for those in the festive spirit, a little Christmas in July flavor was welcome too. Soon enough, creativity kicked in. Pork, poultry, pizza, potatoes, paprika, pasta, the ideas were flowing. Friday morning, Glenn rolled in right on schedule, towing a trailer stacked high with jarrah, ready to keep our fires burning strong. Members put their axe skills to the test, taking turns splitting wood, stoking the flames, and even doing a practice run with their camp ovens for the big cook-up on Saturday. And Andrana's mulled wine? Let's just say it had character. It warmed more than just our hands. It warmed our hearts and our spirits. Saturday was freezing cold and unforgiving, just 2.8 degrees overnight. Coffee in hand, someone joked it might have been warmer if they slept in the fridge. Brett got creative too, rigging a tent peg to a cordless drill to stir his soup. Call it bush ingenuity. It stirred up more than just a laugh.
It won't stick to the spoon if I keep stirring it. That'll stick to your ribs, this thing.
You're a stirrer, Brett.
I am a stirrer.
Now lift it up to the top of the liquid.
So Brett, you now need to sell them for $10 each.
The rest of the crew worked on their meal. Roasts, stews, skews, pasta bakes, even desserts. The camp became a bush kitchen. And ingredients prepped for the 12 to noon serving. There's something primal, almost stone age, about cooking this way, balancing flame, heat, and time to create a meal from scratch, out here in the bush. It's a skill that pushes us beyond the convenience of our own kitchen, challenging us to adapt, and in the process, building connection through a common challenge. Members shared ingredients, swapped tips, and cheered each other on. The results? Absolutely incredible. By noon, the moment of truth arrived. One by one, dishes emerged from the camp ovens, hearty, inventive, and full of the flavor only time can create. Under the shelter, we laid out the table for the grand tasting, a true showcase of effort and creativity. Each member received a single token, one vote, one voice, to honor the best dish, but never their own. Because this wasn't just about winning. It was about pride in what you'd crafted, savoring others' creations, and respecting the skill and spirit behind every plate, each forged in the same fire. For the record, the day's best meal went to Adriana for her incredible pork dish, a well-deserved win. And in true club tradition, Brett never misses a chance of running a $5 raffle. Anywhere, anytime. Congratulations to Julie, Glenn, and Gary, our lucky winners of the day. Saturday night brought a festive twist, Christmas in July. Ugly jumpers were out in force, and the outfits, well, let's just say Mark, Dave, Peter, and Glenn delivered a perfect mix of charisma, confidence, and questionable taste. The tables glittered with tinsel, fairy lights flickered, and the whole camp took on that holiday magic, in the middle of winter. As the temperature fell again, Peter set the fire pits in a long, glowing line. Under a sky glittering with stars, flames danced high while laughter and voices drifted into the night. It was one of those rare evenings. Stories exchanged, plates refilled, and friendships strengthened in the glow of the fires. Sunday morning arrived slowly, a golden light filtering through the trees. A few of us packed up early, while others stayed to soak in one last morning in the bush. This weekend was never just about the food. It was about the stories shared around the fire, the fun of challenging a camp oven cook-off, and the thrill of enjoying our amazing environment. We battled a few elements and shared a lot of laughs. As we packed up, we were careful to leave nothing but footprints, carrying home with us memories that will keep us smiling and talking until we get back out here again. Because while our club is built on 4x4 adventures, it's the people and the camaraderie that truly make every journey worthwhile. We can't wait to see you all again next year, around the fire at the Mitsubishi 4-Wheel Drive Owners Club annual Avon Valley Cookout.